some examples for the applications of the first derivative of the Laplace transform. In these questions, you are asked to use the Laplace transform of the first derivative to derive the solutions for the Laplace transform of functions given here. Let us look at the first example here. You are asked to determine the solutions of Laplace transform of k. In this case, your ft will be equals to k. By referring to the formulas of the first derivative, you will have Laplace transform of the derivative equals to x times Laplace transform of the functions minus the f0. The question here asks us to determine the Laplace transform of the functions. That means Laplace transform of k will be here, and you will need to derive the Laplace transform of f prime t and find the functions f0. With that, you know ft is equals to k for this function here. Derivative of the functions will be equals to 0 because k is a constant. For f0, the t is equals to 0. In the function here, there is no functions of t, therefore f0 will be equals to k. Based on the formulas of first derivative, substitute f prime t equals to 0, substitute f0 equals to k, you will obtain this formula. Rearrange the formula and you will obtain this. After rearranging, you obtain the final solutions equals to k per s. For the second example, you are asked to find the Laplace transform of these functions 2t. Therefore, you set ft equals to 2t. Differentiate the ft over the t, you will get 2. F prime t equals to 2. Substitute t equals to 0, you will get 0 for f0. Use the formulas of first derivative. Substitute f prime t equals to 2. Substitute f0 equals to 0. You will get this formula. From the formula, Laplace transform of 2 will be equals to 2 per s. Rearrange the functions. You get the Laplace transform of 2t equals to 2 per s squared. Next, you try to find the Laplace transform of these functions. Take ft equals to e power of negative at. Differentiate it, you will obtain this. Substitute t equals to 0, you will get 1, as the e power of 0 will be equals to 1. Substitute the relevant value into the functions of the first derivative. Substitute this into the f prime t and substitute 1 into f0 and you will obtain this. From the function here, these two are identical. Move this to the opposite side. That gives you this. Take out the Laplace transform of e power of at. You will get s plus a to be multiplied with that. Rearrange the functions, you get your final solution.